Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is the Mean Green Mother from Outer Space Bubble Bar. This came in my Lush Kitchen subscription, so this is an exclusive that you can only get if you get the subscription. But I love the design from this. It's designed after the plant that ate people in the Little Shop of Horrors, which was a movie when I was young. So I love that. All you do is you place it underwater and just let the running water hit it. That will create bubbles. You can also crumble it. Just as long as the running water is hitting it, it will create tons and tons of suds. And I really love the scent of this one. It does have lime oil and neroli, so it had a nice citrus scent to it. And it's really satisfying to crumble it under the water. And then I let it run for a little bit longer because it's still making bubbles. So you can see that on the right side, but then the rest of the tub has tons in there as well. And I'll show you what it looks like at the end. You don't have to use the whole thing if you want. You can cut it into pieces and just use a little at a time. And I think I have a few more Halloween items to post. But once I'm done with that, I already have the Christmas bath bombs, so I will be filming those and posting those early November. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.